Hi, my name is Ankush Bhatt and I welcome you to the short demo in which I'll explain you about the steering parameter fire event. Let's switch to Tosca. Here I have made one test case of fire event. As you can see that in this I have used the Tricentis obstacle codes in which I just need to add two different numbers and enter it in the text box. Okay, so now if I run this particular test case in which I have buffered the number one and kept it in the number one buffer. Similarly, for number two, I've kept it into the buffer as number two, and I have added the number one and number two and put it into the result. Okay, now I have run this test case. Now it has directly input the value, but the basic nature of this application is obstacle course is that it will the pop up and give us some input that yeah, this obstacle course has been solved. So for that, to let this particular application or residence obstacle codes know that something has been inputted and now it needs to give the next step or the pop-up in this case. For that, I'll simply go to the module attribute of this result and go to the properties and simply add one steering parameter of fire event. Remember that F and E should be in capitals and I'll say input. Now, this input will result will let the application know that some value has been inputted and it will carry out the next function. Say it will give us the pop-up. Now let's see. Yeah. Now it has buffered both the values and inputted the addition in the sum text box and the one pop-up came of yeah, this obstacle codes has been solved. So this is all about how fire event works. Thank you.